So now that we've viewed some tours, let's go ahead and create one. So I'll go back to the home page. I'll scroll up and I'll click on Get Started. And then we'll have two options, to create a new tour or to edit an existing template. And we'll start by editing one that exists. And as you can see, there are many options available. Perhaps this dinosaur one is interesting. So this one has images that I don't actually have, so it has a good starting point for me to edit. So it has a title, a description, a cover image, and then those are the scenes. So I can click on any scene. I can move it around and see how the 360 image looks. And I can view the text on the point of interest. This is the title, the description. If there's anything I don't like, I can edit it or remove it altogether. They also have narration, so they do have voice in some of those points of interest. Yeah, so I can go ahead and edit it as I like. And then when I'm done, I can just publish it. And I can either publish it as public so people can see it, or I can publish it as unlisted if I want it to be private. And when I publish it, I can find the link to this tour and I can share it with students. The other option is if I want to create one from scratch, and that's what we're going to go ahead and do right now.